Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be playing Escape the Construction Site. Okay, and since we need to get out of here, the construction site is falling apart, and everyone is getting injured. All right. Okay, so we're going to jump across these. I'm assuming that's the case. Jump across, and we go this way. Okay. Is anyone behind me? Do I have to catch it? Okay, what's it say? Wow, look at the size of these hammers. I would avoid falling onto the tar. Or into the tar. Okay. Okay. Help me. Help me. All right. All right. All right. Easy. Easy so far. Ooh, I just jumped right into there without even realizing what that was. Okay. Let's climb up. I'm assuming that's the case. And we probably... I don't see anyone. Oh, wait. There we go. Let's catch up with that guy. I'm assuming we don't touch the cones. Okay. Ah! Yep. All right, let's give that another shot. I kind of didn't jump far enough. Yeah, see, that's... Ah! How did I do that? Oh. Do you see my little orange boots? Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. All right. We did it once. All right. Okay. Okay. Careful. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. That was easy. All right. Oh, we got to catch up with that one guy. Oh, hopefully he's not too far away. I'm trying to see. Where is he? Oh, I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Oh, there they are. Okay. It's two people. Oh, careful, careful. Oh, hey. Help. Okay, I see you. Okay, we're going this way. And then we're going to jump across, right? Okay, I'm following you. Whoa. Okay, following you. Drop it down. Ooh. Okay. Easy so far. Ooh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, please. Please. How far do I gotta go? Oh my goodness. Okay, I gotta try to hurry up and catch up, but come on. Okay, there we go. You can just drop straight down. Oh, I see you. Jump. Woo! We did it. Yes. Okay. Now what do we got down here? Just jump. See what happens. Okay. Careful. Don't go too far down. And then jump across. Where are we going? I don't get it. Okay, jump across. Jump. And then run across. All right, cool. We're doing this. Okay. Jump on the cinder blocks. Oh, look. Okay, hurry. We got to catch up with those guys. Oh, my goodness. What's over here? Look at that guy. He's stuck in there. Oh, no. Okay. Oh, how did I touch it at the last minute? Okay. Oh, you did too? Okay, that's all right. We got it. We got this. Here, give me some room so I can see, please. Whoa. Okay. Woo. Okay, there we go. We got this. Oh. Okay, we're catching up. Is she here? Oh, she had to start way back. Okay. Okay, careful. Just go slow. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't you. Okay. God, we're almost there. Just walk slow. Just go slow. Go slow. Go slow. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? Do you see this? There we go. All right. I see you. Okay. Come on. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Oh, you can't touch it at all. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh, what happened? What happened? Come on. Oh, all right. Start over. Start over. Jump. Jump. Oh, what happened? Okay, I see what's going on here. Okay. All right. You can't touch it, but let's just jump over the handles first. Jump over the handles first. Oh, yep. See, he's going. Okay. Can you fall? Oof. Okay. Did he make it? How far is he? I don't see him. Okay. Did he make it? Okay, just stay focused. Stay focused. He's doing it. Oh, wow. No, he didn't do it. You guys jump over the handles, bro. Oh, whew. One more. One more. And we are... Oh, don't touch it. We are done. What? I don't get it. What happened? What? Oh, nuts. How is that guy making it? He just jumped straight across. Okay. Okay. Ugh. How? What happened? I made it so far. I made it so far. Oh my goodness, I made it so far. And then only to lose at the last end. No! Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Oh, they didn't make me stop. Okay. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh my goodness. Jump. Oh, come on. What is going on? Let me see what happens with him. I can turn around, turn around. I can't see. I can't see. What happened? What happened? How did he get... There he goes. They made me touch the thing at the very last minute. Oh, no. Oh, no. This is frustrating. This is frustrating. Oh, okay. Yeah, you gotta look out for that. Oh, my goodness. You're doing it, bro. He's jumping right over it, but I'm not gonna take that risk. I am not taking that risk. Okay, this is it, guys. I don't know. Just jump. Okay, sweet. Okay, these mud hills are very sticky. All right, I won't touch them. I won't touch them. Yes. Oh, man. The one guy's gone. All right, to make sure we hit the checkpoint. Oh, he is gone. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Oh, really? 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 Oh, my goodness. Okay. Oh. Let's try this all over again. Oh, my goodness. Really? Really? Oh, boy. Oh, hey, guys. Oh, wow. Ooh. Ah, yes. Okay, you go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, that's it. What are you doing? Yeah, go straight across. All right. I'm going this way. Yes, that's it. That is it. What do you think? No, we already did those two. Let's try this. Oh no! Did she go across? Check. Look. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Let me back in. Let me back in. Oh, I forgot the pattern. Wait, what? I forgot the pattern. Oh, okay. I knew it wasn't the middle one. All right, where is she? Oh my goodness. You are better at this than me. So you go ahead. I will catch up. Oh, I will catch up. Oh no. The boards get thinner. Oh, you got to slow down. Oh, you are so fortunate. Whoa. But then again, there's a checkpoint right there. So no, she's not. Okay. Just gotta go slow. Just gotta go slow. Oh, see? Oh man. Okay. I am not gonna go slow the whole way. Jump. Okay. All right. Let's go up the ladder. Up, up. And another checkpoint. Sweet. Do not touch the white ink on these giant blueprints. Okay. All right. Where's the? Whoa. Okay. Stop here. Where are they at? Okay. Jump. Oh, nuts. Oh, he's going. Okay, I'll catch up. Jump. And we're across. And where is he? Wow. Okay. Jump up. And jump up. What? What? Okay, you can't touch those beams? Okay. Okay. So how are we supposed? Oh. So how are we supposed to do this? Oh. Okay. Jump across. Whoa. Okay. Obviously, we can touch these. We can touch these. We got to jump on these. Jump. Up. We're almost there. Up. And there's our checkpoint. Where's the other guy? Oh, wow. He is moving. Okay. So obviously we don't touch the walls. Okay. Oh, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Yes, we did it. Okay, don't touch that. Oh, no. My head goes tumbling down. Okay, so let's come over closer to this side and then jump. Oh, man. I decided the last minute. Okay, where are we going to go here? Oh, boy, this is tough. Okay. So don't, no! Ah, this is tough. Okay, so jump and then stay close to the edges. Oh my goodness. Stay close to the edges. Stay close to the edges. Oh boy, look at this. Oh no, I don't know what to do here. I don't know what to do. Okay, stay 1 foot on the line or before the line. That's all you got to do. Oh no. A little bit more and then jump. Yes. Okay. We're at the top here. Oh, that's it. We made it. Get my coin. What is he saying? Well, at least we got away from all the chaos. Yeah. Okay, hit the checkpoint. I'm looking for a secret badge. Can you help me find it? I'm going to say no. All right, let's take a look back at our course here. Maybe we might be able to see if there's another badge posted somewhere. If not, oh well. I won't go looking for it. Let's see. Yeah, I won't go looking for it. So that's it for me on this one. That was short-lived. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any recommendations, actually, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and maybe I can play a game that you like, and maybe even play a game with you. So just let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll check you out next time. All right, bye.